Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use instance social presence and how to master all the controls. Okay, so the first thing you want to notice is that you know this big image right in the middle with the YouTube logo is not editable. This is just to serve as a guide to how your channel is gonna look, okay, once you upload your design. So again, none of this text is editable or really is important, you know. Now the second thing is that you can edit any text on the page. So to do that, just click on, you know, a text layer, and let's say you wanted to select the entire layer. Okay, you want to click 3 times on this text and it's gonna select the whole thing. Okay, so then you can delete it and write, you know, whatever text you want. Okay. Also, while we are still on text, there are different text effects. Okay, so if I select this text, then click on font, and then again on fonts, I can change, you know, I can change fonts. Okay, so we added some pretty impactful fonts. End of Sean is the one I'm currently using here. I can try impact. Okay, and let's say I wanted to increase the size, so I'll just go to font size and then, you know, make it bigger. Okay, and to move any text around, just click on it, hold the left click button and drag it. So you can drag and drop the text pretty much anywhere you want on the canvas. Okay, and the last text feature we can look at is the alignment feature. Okay, so if you see here, this text is aligned to the left. I can center it, okay, or I can align it to the right. Okay. Okay, so now there are different elements on this canvas. Okay, and I'm gonna start with the bar here. Okay, so this bar is actually a colored bar that you can change. Okay, so if I click on the bar, then click on color, I can customize the color to whatever I want. Okay, so let's say for instance, if your logo or your company name here has some blue in it, then you want maybe the bar to be blue. Okay, it's just like to, you know, do some color matching. The other elements that you can change the color of is the background as well. Okay, so if you can see here, I'm gonna click anywhere on the background, then click on color, and I'm gonna put a different color. Okay, so maybe some grayish black. Okay, and of course you can change the color of the text as well. Just select any text and, you know, just change the color. Okay, the next thing here is well, let's say I'm going to change my description first. So this is my first YouTube channel, please subscribe and rate. Okay, there's a little black line here as well. I can move it up. If you don't want this line here, okay, or any elements on the screen, just click on delete. Okay, it's gonna remove it. Okay, now if you notice here, we have a space for a logo. Okay, so to change this here, okay, you want to click on FX and then on business icons. Okay, and then you click on the switch symbol, and you can switch through a few, you know, pre-made icons. Okay, and if you know you don't want to use any of the already made icon, just click on the business icon here and click on delete, and it's gone. Okay, so that's pretty nice and easy to use. You also have under FX, okay, you have background style. Okay, and this is to change the style of the background, as it says. You have a wooden panel, you have a grass effect, concrete, and so on. Okay, so you can choose whatever, you know, fits your design. Okay, it adds a nice little touch to it. Now there's the social media style. This is only for people who have upgraded to the Pro version. I'm going to show you all the details about the Pro version in another video. Okay. Now let's say I wanted to add something here. Okay, so all I would do is click on Add. Okay, when I click on Add, there's a menu that appears here. Same when I click on FX, a menu appears here. Okay, so click on Add, then you'll see a menu, and I can add an image. Okay, I want my logo to be here, so I'm going to click on Image. I'm going to try to find an image that's suitable. Okay, I'm going to use this, and that's my image here. And then if I want to resize it, I just go to the corner, and if you hold the Shift key on your keyboard, you can resize it while keeping the proportions. Okay, that's pretty important, so you might want to do that, you know, if you want to keep a nice looking image. So you hold the Shift key and then you click on the corner and you resize. Okay, so it keeps proportions. And that's pretty much it. So my image is nicely sitting here. I have my company name below. I can put my website here. Okay, so I'll put bertrando.com, and I might even make this a bit bigger. Size. Okay, if you notice, there's a zoom button here. This is to help you see the canvas, you know, in case, because the canvas is pretty big. Okay, so if you click zoom once, you're gonna zoom out. Okay, so I've just zoomed out, and I'm gonna increase the size of my website here. Okay, and your company, I'm gonna write Bertrando, and here I'm gonna put internet marketing. Okay, and change the font size again. Okay, and you know, just try to, you know, make it look neat enough. Okay, and now I'm gonna zoom back in, and the next step, I can add some. If I click on add again, I can add some text. Okay, I'm gonna add some text here. Let's say I wanted to put some text on the right. Okay, so I'll choose vertical right. Okay, and my text is here. I'm just gonna edit here, edit it, write something. And you know, move the text whatever I want. And the last thing I can add is some social media icons. Okay, so we added support for the top social networking websites of the moment. So let's say I wanted to add some social media branding for my Twitter account, so I would click on the Twitter icon. Okay, make sure you move it and, you know, make it fit where it should be, and then I can edit this text. Okay, I'll just put follow me on Twitter, or follow, if I click on the delete key to delete this text, I'll put follow at Bertrando. Okay, and this text is a bit too big, so I'm gonna go on font size and resize it. Okay, and same if you wanted to add a Facebook or Pinterest, you know, link, branding. So you just put just select Pinterest, and that's it pretty much. Okay, so that's pretty much all the features of the regular version. Again, if you have upgraded, you can watch the video that comes after this one, and I'm gonna go over the pro features. Okay, and so the last thing is that once you have completed your design, okay, you want to click on download here. Okay, so just click on it once, and it's gonna open. If you're using Google Chrome, it's gonna open a new blank window for a second. This means that it's downloading your file. Okay, and then you can see here on the bottom left, it's gonna download it to your desktop or wherever your download folder here is. And if I open it, that's my design here. Okay, so then all I have to do is to upload it to my YouTube channel, like I've shown you in another tutorial, and you're good to go, you know, and you can start over and do some more designs for your other channels or for clients if you're using the developers version. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and have a great day.